How to find square root of 1369 by long division method. First make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Okay, consider this second pair. Take here number whose square will be equal to 13 or nearest to 13. If you place here look 4, then 4 square will be 16, which is greater than 13. So 3, if you place here 3 square equal to 9, which is closest to 13. The same you have placed here 3, so same digit must come to the quotient side also. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 4 you are getting. Bring down the next pair, 469. You have placed here the digit 3, so you need to write the same digit under the divisor. You need to add 3 plus 3 is 6. Now you have to assume a number and you need to multiply. The product should be equal to this or nearest to this. Okay, if you place here look 7, then what will happen? 7 times 67. 7 times 7, 49. Carry, bring down 9, carry 4 to the next column. 7 times 6, 42. 42 plus 4, 46. 469. Okay, which is equal. So our guessing number 7 is correct. 7 times 67, 469. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Our answer is 37. Since we have placed here 7, the 7 must come under the divisor and add. 7 plus 7, 14. Write 4, carry 1 to the next column. 6 plus 1, 7. The double of 37 is 64. So our answer is correct. So the square root of 1369 is 37.